As I was walking through the forest, a bird shot out of the bush, scared the crap out of me and the dog, and then the dog started licking something. I looked down and it was an egg, probably a broken egg that the bird broke as it flew away. And about 1 foot away from that, there was a nest with about 7 eggs. I'm not sure what kind of bird. Maybe you guys can recognize the eggs. I thought it was quail or partridge. If you know, leave a comment below. Thanks a lot. Quail nest. One broken quail egg. Well, there are the eggs. I don't know where the hen is.